The most untouchable leader in the Middle East was destroyed by his own independence. It's 1958, Baghdad, Iraq. A young general named Abdul Karim Qasim overthrows the monarchy in a single day. He pulls Iraq out of Western alliances and kicks out foreign military bases. The people love him as he builds schools, hospitals, and promises oil wealth for Iraqis. America offers money and weapons. The Soviets do the same. He says no to both superpowers and charts his own course. For 4 years, he stands alone and proud. But in Washington, the CIA watches this independence with growing alarm. They find allies in the Ba'ath Party, young revolutionaries hungry for power. Secret meetings begin in Damascus and Beirut. On February 8, 1963, his own officers surround the Ministry of Defense. Tanks roll through Baghdad streets as gunfire echoes from the building. By dawn, the radio announces his death, and Ba'ath Party members celebrate in the streets. The man who refused to bow to any empire was Abdul Karim Qasim.